Hi everyone, welcome to this lecture. So in this lecture, we are going to learn another important metric that can be used to evaluate the performance of a classifier. This metric is known as receiver operator characteristic curve, or in short, we can call it ROC. So what is ROC? So ROC is the curve between false positive and true positive. So basically in ROC, we only use the positive labels predicted by the model. So the false positive labels are also predicted by the model, and the true positive labels are also predicted by the model. So ROC curve is between the false positive and the true positive. Area under the ROC curve indicate the precision of the model. We know from the definition or from the equation of the precision that the equation of precision is true positive divided by true positive plus false positive. So precision addresses only the positive samples predicted by the model. Therefore, the area under the curve will indicate the precision of the model. So if we see this curve, we can see that AUC here, AUC is area under the curve. So its value is 0.8. It means this ROC is for the model whose precision is 0.8 or 80%, because area under the curve of ROC represent the precision of the model. On x-axis, we can see that we have a false positive rate, and on y-axis, we have a true positive rate. So it means it is the curve between the false positive and true positive, and the area under this curve indicates the precision of the model. So this is another example of ROC for a different classifier whose precision value is small, that is less. This is 0.52 or it is 52%. So we can see that this is not a perfect straight line. We can see that straight line here, and after this point, the slope of the line is changing. So this ROC represent a classifier whose precision is only 52%. So from this straight line or this kind of straight line or this ROC, we can learn one important thing is that if the precision of the model is 50%, then in that case, we will get a straight line which will divide this curve equally, that is into the true positive rate and into the false positive rate. This is another very important ROC of a model whose accuracy is 100%, and especially the precision is also 100%. We can see that the area of the area under the curve is 1, that is 100%, and area under the curve represent the precision value of the model. So we can see that there is no false positive. That is, our model is predicting every label correctly, and there is no misclassification or there is no wrong classification. So we can see this is a line or this is a curve of a model whose precision is 100%. So in this lecture, we learn another important metric which is known as ROC. After calculating and learning the 4 metrics in the previous lecture, that is accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score, we can see that there is another matrix known as ROC. So ROC is basically the curve between the positive labels predicted by the model, that is between the false positive and the true positive, and the area under this ROC curve represent the precision of the model. So I hope you understood the concept of ROC. Thanks for listening, and I will see you in the next lecture.